Robot will not replace the humans, but humans who is using the artificial intelligence will replace those who don't. Hello everyone, I am Professor Dr. Mayur Sawant, coordinator of the Robotics and Artificial Intelligence at MIT-ADT Design Technology University, Pune. Today I am excited to introduce our future engineering ready programs, BTech in Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. At MIT University, we are not teaching the concepts, we are preparing the innovator, researchers and the industry leaders who can design intelligent systems, develop smart machines and can work or solve the real world problems. Our programs is built around a strong foundations of the artificial intelligence, robotics, automations and the industry 4.0 technologies. Our key strength of our program is the Center of Excellence in Robotics and Artificial Intelligence. This Center of Excellence includes a specialized laboratory. First is the Industrial Robotics and Artificial Intelligence Lab. Second is the Control Engineering Laboratory. Third one is the Hydraulics and the Pneumatic Laboratories. And the fourth in the Industry Automation Laboratory. Along with that, in addition, we have a dedicated Artificial Intelligence and High Performance Computing Laboratory, which enabling students to work on the machine learnings, deep learnings, robotic operating systems, and the autonomous systems. Our curriculums is designed as per the NEP 2020 guidelines, which is having some practical learnings, internships, research and innovations. We also conduct international faculty development programs, hands-on workshops, as well as we also conducting industrial visits. So we have strong collaborations with IITs, international universities and the leading industries. So today's recruiters which is actively looking for the engineers who are practically skilled in the AI and the robotics. So if you are passionate about the AI, robotics and the future technology, this is the right place for you. Join us MIT-ADT University and be the part of the intelligent futures. Thank you.